What's up, party people, and welcome back to my channel. So first off, I have a new microphone, so hopefully you can hear a difference in the audio. You shouldn't hear any hissing or humming, or if my heater's going on in the background, you shouldn't hear that, you know, from 2 rooms away. Today's video is gonna be the YouTube beauty community tag. This was created by Lisa Stevens. I'm not super familiar with her, but I will link her video below, and also a few other YouTubers who did this video as well. So I'll link all their videos below just so you can check out a few others. But I really wanted to do more tags on my channel because I feel like they're a really good way to kind of get to know the person that you're watching. I'm actually thinking about creating a couple of new ones. So if you follow me on Facebook, Snapchat, and Twitter, you'll have already known what my ideas are. So make sure you go follow me on there because I really try to include you guys in like the decision-making process of videos and ideas, like series and stuff. So question number 1 is, what are your favorite videos to watch? My favorite videos to watch, I have a few, but my number 1 are dupe videos. I love any kind of dupe video, whether it be a full face of dupes, a dupe tutorial, any kind of dupe test. I also love any kind of behind the scenes videos where people are showing like behind the scenes setup, like camera setup, lighting setup, settings, editing, and I love any kind of like drugstore product review or product discussion videos. My favorite videos to film, again, I love dupe videos, I love dupe testing, and I also love first impression wear test videos. I know a lot of you guys don't like first impressions, but I try to make my first impression reviews very different. I like to try to make them very detailed and very thorough, but I just love doing it because there's more spontaneous, and I like to give you guys my observations as I go, because a lot of times when I'm reviewing something that I know a lot about, I kind of set up a script in my mind of things I want to talk about, and if I don't talk about them, the video ends up being a disappointment to me because it's like, dang it, I should have put that in the video. Like, dang it, how did I forget that? I also love underrated makeup product videos, or like products that are undiscovered. I love finding new products that people don't always talk about. Like, I hate talking about the same products over and over, or products that you've heard in 15 other channels across YouTube. Question number 3 is, what are your least favorite videos to watch? I hate first impressions of a lot of products. Like when someone does a first impressions over like 15 products, I hate it. I just feel like it's just too all over the place. Like, I like more topic specific videos. I also don't like get ready with me. It's like chit chat, get ready with me. Every time I ask you guys what you want to see more of, you always request chit chat, get ready with me, which I do want to start doing more of, and I have done one, and I do enjoy doing them myself, but I don't like watching them. They're too all over the place, and I feel like, again, I just don't like the mystery of not knowing what someone's going to talk about or what they're going to use, and I don't know. I just don't really care too much for them. I also don't like subscription service videos like Ipsy, Birchbox, stuff like that. Question number 4 is getting a little bit deeper from here on out, and that is, what is your favorite part about the beauty community? My favorite part is definitely the act of building your own community around your channel. You know, seeing the same faces, the same people comment. Your comments, you know, whether it be to me or to anybody else, you are helping someone build confidence. And that is an amazing thing in itself. You're helping someone build their character and become stronger. And I also love the amount of creativity and talent in this community. I mean, it's so crazy to think that there are that many creative and talented, skillful people out there. Number 5 is, what is your least favorite part of the beauty community? And that is definitely the fact that YouTube does not police negative comments. Here's how I look at it. Okay, people's channels are their homes. There are a lot of people that I do not like on this platform, but that does not give me the right to go and tell them that. I think people get so caught up in the, oh, it's freedom of speech, I have the right to my opinion, I have the right to share my opinion. Yeah, you do. But when it turns into your opinion is hurting someone, or your opinion is not constructive, or it's not helpful, it's not kind, then you shouldn't have your opinion, and you will not have that kind of opinion on my channel. That's what I'm really trying to build with my community here. I'm really trying to make it an all positive, kind place to be. Like, I want you to come here and comment and not have to worry about arguing with people, or, you know, seeing someone bash another person, or seeing someone bash me. Like, it's just, we've already got enough of that in the world. We don't need that here. YouTube is a privilege. Having a computer is a privilege. Having the internet is a privilege. And when you start abusing that privilege, you should have it taken away from you. You should not have the right to leave whatever comment you want to someone that you don't know, because you wouldn't say that in normal life. So you need to rethink the courage that you're getting from being on a computer and being anonymous. So number 6 is, what motivated you to start your channel? And I could definitely get off on many branches of storytelling and tangents, but I think the bottom line is that I just wanted to be different. I just want people to sit down and watch my videos and feel like they're talking with a friend in person. Like feel like they're talking with someone that they can relate to, that they can be best friends with. I want to be the best friend that you don't have, like the best friend that you can talk makeup with. It's just something I've always wanted to do. I love makeup more than anything, and I love teaching. Okay, number 7 is who most inspires you on YouTube. Everyone, whether it be in a good or bad way, inspires me. You know, I watch people that I, do love watching and that I think are doing a really good job, and I'm inspired by them. I'll see people that I think could be different, could do it differently, and be better, and that inspires me to do better than that. So everyone inspires me in one way or another, but the number one person who has inspired me overall is Kani Johnson, because like I said, she was the first person I started watching in high school when YouTube became a big deal. But the biggest inspiration that she's been to me is because she is such a genuinely positive, good-hearted, loving person. Question number 8 is the number one thing you would change about the beauty community. The number one thing I would change is that people stop taking it so seriously. People take makeup and reviews and the people who are in this community so seriously. Another thing I would change, which I know it only asks for one, but we're gonna go a little bit more in depth than that, like we always do, and that is the pressure to be a certain standard, whether it be your hair looking a certain way, your makeup looking a certain way, your nails being done and painted. It's not your right to point out flaws. It's not, because we are all flawed, and we have to be confident enough with our flaws that we're okay. We're okay with having them. Question number 9 is the number one advice for other creators or new people starting out a channel. This is something that you will hear across every video, and that's be yourself. Like we've got a Jaclyn Hill, we've got a Manny MUA, we've got Jeffree Star and Laura Lee and Nikki Tutorials. We need you. We need someone that's different. I don't want to watch 15 people with the same style, who do the same videos, talk the same way, have the same kind of hair. I want to watch someone that's completely different from everyone else. And the last question, question number 10, is what do you love about YouTube as a whole? The positivity and the kindness and the happiness that people can bring you will always outweigh the bad. It's so amazing to have this outlet to share my passion and my hobbies with, and also the endless range of learning you can do. You can learn anything and everything on YouTube. There's so much knowledge. Having one platform where we can all come together, different cultures and different skill sets and different talents and stuff like that. Like, it's so crazy to think that we're all here to share our love of something with people. It's really, really inspiring. It's just mind-blowing. But that is it for this YouTube beauty community tag. I tag you. If you have a smaller channel, I tag you. And remember, make sure you put your video in the comments below so we can all watch it. But I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching, hanging out with me today. Thumbs up if you like this video, subscribe, follow me on all my social media. All the links are below. And I hope you guys have a beautiful day. Mwah.